First, take out of all items from the package. There are manual, monitor, camera, video cable, cigarette adapter, bracket, power cord, and T-taps. Pick up the bracket. Just follow my operations. Press the ball into the hole. Tighten the screws. The angle can be adjusted flexibly. Pick up the monitor. Align the bracket with the hole on the back of the monitor and snap it in. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screw. Tear off the protective film at the bottom of the bracket, place it where you need and pull down the buckle. Pick up the camera. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. The camera angle can be adjusted flexibly. Pick up the video cable. There are two 4-pin connector and a DC connector. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable to monitor. Connect another 4-pin connector to the camera. Connect the DC connector to the cigarette adapter. Plug the adapter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button lights up, the monitor lights up, the image appear on screen. You can also supply power by fuse box, ACC, radio, ignition switch. Connect DC connector to the power cord. The thin red wire is connected to the positive of the fuse box, ACC, radio, ignition switch. The thin black wire connect to the negative of the fuse box, ACC, radio, ignition switch. The monitor lights up, the image appear on screen. The easiest way is to be powered by a cigarette lighter. Press the minus key has no effect when not enter menu mode. Press the plus key to turn off, on the guideline.
When the guideline appear on the screen, press the M key. When the H appear the screen, press the minus or plus key to move the guideline to the left or right. Press the M key. When the V appear the screen, press the minus or plus key to adjust the height of the guideline. Press the M key. When the W appear the screen, press the minus or plus key to adjust the width of the guideline. Press the M key to switch to the brightness. Press the minus or plus key to adjust the brightness. Press the M key to switch to the contrast. Press the minus or plus key to adjust the contrast. Press the M key to switch to the saturation. Press the M key to switch to the tint. Press the minus or plus key to adjust the tint. Press the M key to switch to the zoom. Press the minus or plus key to adjust the screen size ratio. Press the M key to switch to the mirror. Press the minus or plus key to turn on, off the mirror mode. Press the M key to switch to the language. Press the minus or plus key to select the language you want. Press the M key to switch to the reset. Now introduce the function of reset. Move the guideline to the upper right corner. Presses the M key to switch to the reset. Press the minus or plus key to turn on the reset. When you turn on the reset function, the system restores the factory settings. Pick up the camera. Hold the sensor with your finger, you can see LED light. There is a green and a white thin wire on the camera extension cable. If you use the tool to cut the thin white wire, then turn off the monitor's power and quickly turn on. The monitor automatically switches to front view. If you use the tool to cut the thin green wire, hold the sensor with your finger, you can't see LED light. If you need functional recovery, you can merge the thin wires. Please note, the outer rubber needs to be cut off.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.